Guys, I have been holding off on opening this pair of amazing heels because I wanted to share it with you, so you're fucking welcome. Guess what they could be? I don't know. Alrighty, friends. Comes in a very pretty box. Look at that pretty box. I'm excited. Oh, what the hell? What is that? What is that for? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what that's for. It's like a keyhole or something. These are called Pleaser in the size 6. Wait, it says stop. Win a $200 shopping spree. Share a tag in your stories and post on TikTok. Oh. Shall we? Shall we do this? Alright, I'll do it. Too much time. Oh, win a $200 shopping spree. I'm not going to turn down $200 shopping spree. Where should I share it? Twitter, Messenger, Facebook, LinkedIn. Come on, there's a TikTok option. Shall I share to Instagram? Alrighty, let's do it. Amazeballs. So, yes, these are wild. I haven't seen them yet. Oh. They're gonna be so beautiful. Ooh, so it starts off with some. Ooh, are these tattoos? Are these tattoos that I get to wear? Sassy, slay. Look at the martini glass. Oh my gosh, okay. We're gonna have to do tattoos, I think. Comes with tattoos. Embrace the rebel within. Oh, this is like a CD cover. If y'all know what CDs are. Awesome. Very nice, very nice. Okay, guys. We got a little bag to keep them safe. And I am going to reveal my brand new clear mules. And there's 2 of them. Take a little bit of Jesus, because you know, we need to. I love it. I love it. I love it. Aren't they hot AF? Well, shall we? Shall I put them on? Oh my god. I love him. Cute. Cute or what? That's a win. Alright, bye-bye.